So there is a directory in which my work is, my development work. So every time I get to the command line, I find myself having to switch to that directory. So right now I'm in my home directory. So when I want to work, I have to do this cd into development. Then I have to cd into the specific project. So now every time I keep doing this, and it can be time wasting actually. So what I would love to do is maybe I would love that I just, instead of doing all that, if I'm here in my home directory, I would want something like I type just one word and it leads me to the entire, it just leads me to the entire path. So what you realize, I just typed this word BPO and it switched me to it switched me to this directory. If you want to check, let me go back to my home directory. You see where I am? So I'm just going to type BPO and it will just lead me to the directory, to this path. So to do that, I have to put an alias in zish in zish rc, or because I'm using zish, or bash rc if I was using if I was using bash. So I will just do this. I will say code zish rc, and this means that this RC is in my home directory, so I will open that. So what you then realize is that this opened in my Visual Studio Code. Well, you can open it using Nano or whatever VI editor, whatever it is. So I have an alias here called BPO equals. So BPO stands for change directory to this. So I can actually create various aliases. So I would want the one for the back end. In fact, the back end is called BPO seats. The front end repos are are there is apply BPO. So this will point to applybpo.com. Alias okay, maybe what I do is, let me call this backend. Backend apply BPO. Maybe backend apply BPO seats. So really I just want to like type like 1 or 2 letters and get into the directory, because I use these directories a lot actually. So alright, so I'm trying to see what makes sense. So so backend I will type BK, apply BP I will type AP, then BPO seats I will type BP. So I'll just save that. So once I save that, in case you're wondering where to find this zish file, it is in your home directory. So my home directory is this. So if I say you can see that well, where is this file? You see this zish? Yes. So if I wanted actually right now, I can say nano this rc. So uh, you'll see that the change, if you scroll down, you'll see that the changes I made, I don't want to make any changes now. The changes I made are there. So once I did that, I'll just now close this, new tab. Let me close this, all of it. So I'll open it afresh. So when I type backend, it will take me there. When I type apply, it should take me to apply BPO. When I type BP, it should take me to BPO sheets. Did I set that correctly? Let me check again. All right, I know why. I haven't created this folder yet. Yeah, so that's why. But that is it. All right, so I hope this was helpful. See you next time.